Okay. I'm live on YouTube now. So what I'm doing, and I forgot to like just one log my time, how long I've been doing this. Two, I forgot to like just start streaming. So I might as well, while I'm coding, stream. So what I'm doing right now is because I've solved the node thing and also like the plaid sign up process, now I'm circling back and looking at the fact that like I may need to rethink how the like data for the user is stored and handled because the way that the sign up process works, let me show you real quick. This is the sign up process. Yuck. Let's get this stuff out of here. All right. It says pick your community, first name, last name, email, your address, zip code, blah, 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 blah. Cool, 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 cool. Whatever. So this works. That's great. But now in the code, there's so many other things that like, do I have anything that's sensitive in here? No. Let's actually clean all this up because I don't need it. I may not need that. Actually, I know I don't need it because it worked. I don't need that either. All right. There's a lot of comments that I don't need. Hold up. So, what's going on right now is that all this stuff, all of the user whatever, like all this stuff, I can get this from the Firebase like Fire Store, sorry. I can get this from the Fire Store. They I would this doesn't ask for a phone number. It doesn't ask for a date of birth. I'm getting their first and last name, yes. But like address and stuff like that. E Oh, I don't think wait. My volume may be too loud on the thing. All right. Hopefully it's not too loud. Wait. Uh-oh. Hold up. Wait a second. Okay. I think that should be good. So, yeah, like right there. Do I have an app? What do you mean? What's up? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Do I have an app? Oh, this is on the web. It's not like a standalone app like on the App Store. No, unfortunately not. Um, nah, it's only on the web. Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, 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 yeah. Web app. Yeah, I'm not really all that well versed in making apps just yet, but I just make web apps. So websites, web apps, web applications, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, are they really? I would think that apps are a lot harder because there's less like documentation on like building an app and less of an ecosystem because like React is a big ecosystem. I mean, there's React Native and stuff, but like Swift and Ionic and all that stuff, I feel like it's less. The ecosystem isn't as big as the web ecosystem. Oh, huh, huh. That's weird. I'm. I wanna start making apps, but I don't know. Plus, you would have to have like a license to get on the app store. So I'm not that that level of like confident that I can like become profitable. Is this for Android or Apple? Um yeah, and I think my problem is I don't have an Android. I don't have an Android, so I don't think that I will be able to like really natively use the app that I'm building like on the go. So like it would make more sense for me to prioritize building on the Apple App Store. Can you have an emulator in VS Code? Because I know they have one in Xcode, but can you have an emulator for both Android phones and iPhones in VS Code? Is that possible? Hmm? It's called React Native. Wait, 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 wait. Only Android? Wait a minute. Is this it? Where's the emulator at? Wait. Oh. Huh? What does it look like? I want to see it before I install it. There's so much scrolling. I need to see a screenshot. Does it show you the phone? Why does it not show me the phone? Oh, here we go. All right, cool. On like, oh, okay, great. Okay. In the meantime, I'm gonna install it, but like, also thank you. But yeah. Uh. Okay. Good. 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 Um. I don't know what I'm gonna do about the sign up process. 'Cause I'm thinking. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm thinking that I may just structure the data that's in like the hold up. Wait. I gotta pull this off. Wait, hold up. Cause nah. Where's mine at? Oh god, I don't have one anymore. I don't have one anymore. Okay. This is awkward. You know what? I'm just gonna do the sign up process myself because I accidentally deleted my like the one that I was going to be doing, the one that like was mine, but I'm using everyone else's like like testing stuff. So yeah, let's do that. Hold up, give me a second. Let's try this one. Uh, let's do that. What I'm doing is doing this. Hold up. Just so I can like have this up. Do that. Bring that down. Yeah, and that's it. Like, excuse me, hold up. Never mind. I had to sneeze, but it went away. My bad. Sorry for the suspense. Anyways, um, if it comes, and I can't control it, so that's my bad. Uh, what I'm about to do. Huh. Do you already have a portfolio for that? What I want to start doing is using Electron. That's what I want to start using. And then make that transition from Electron into like native apps or mobile apps. Oh, it's cool. See, I'm a big proponent of like it's it's best to like just take like to live real life in another area of life and then take that experience and put it into like software and solve problems that way, because if all you're doing is just like making like products, you're kind of making products for like nothing if you're not taking your real world experiences in solving problems. You're just like making like bland portfolio projects like for nothing. But like if you take your real life and you solve problems with it, then not only will you like gain programming skills, but you'll like actually like it becomes more engaging. It becomes more real for you. So that's what like tutorials can only do so much. Tutorials are great, but at a certain point, tutorials like for me just became boring, and like as a result of that, programming became boring. But like once I started living real life and then taking those real life problems and like solving them with software, that's when software became like cool again for me. So yeah, and because it takes me living real life to be interested in software, that's why I'm so inconsistent with like streaming and stuff like that. Is because like I need to live real life to solve or to come up with more things to program and tackle. If not, then I'm just sitting at a computer just doing if else statements. That's boring. So, yeah, yeah. How can I do this? How can I do this? This is actually what I need to start doing. Instead of using all of this right now, what I need to do. Hold up. Can you hear anything in the background? Like, I don't even know. Is something louder than my voice? Or like, I don't even know how to explain it. Is something drowning me out? All right. This is what I need to do. In here with new error. I don't know what this is. One, this file is way too long. Oh, God. This is 500 lines. Oh, nah. Okay. This is almost 500 lines. Oh, nah. We ain't doing that. This doesn't need to be there. That doesn't need to be there. App. Join with new errors. Where is that even being used at? Hold up. What? What? Hold up. Join. That's not. Hello? All these are using the original join. So I think I'm okay with just deleting this. Because this doesn't make sense. For me to have it may break something, but I think it just makes sense for me to get rid of that. And then just build off the original join. Because this seems redundant. And if there is a problem, we'll fix it. Okay. So what? What? Okay. What I want to do here is it's supposed to mirror this. So, oh, I can bring this back. Hold up. Aha. Okay. So, I need. Oh, I need this to now resemble. Hold up. This is called a user. Oops. User. Let's just call it basic. Let's actually, sorry, just copy all this. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Let's just copy all this. And then I think I can. That may be it. Cool. Bio. What does bio mean? I can delete that. Community slug. Yes, because that comes with different things. Ooh, what I can do. No, I can't. I can't. What I was gonna do. I could take that away. I can just do that. Date created. Address. 1. Take that. Do that with it. Don't need that. Zip is zip. Oh. Okay. I see some things that I'm gonna need to change. Add. Oh, thanks. Thanks, Copilot. Thanks, Copilot. And add street to phone. I'm gonna have to redo all this. Yeah. Name. I don't need it. I need it. All right. Let's do that. Where are we? I don't think I want this anymore. I want it. I want it. Okay. Delete both of those. I have zip already. User image. I can get that out of there. Their user type and all that is going to be that. Yes. Password is going to be password. Date create is going to be, and that's really what needs to be changed. I don't know anything else. I think I can just do that. And then for all the admin that are in there, wait a second, let me, hold up. Eh? Something just broke. Hold up. Okay, fine. So, one, this is working, but I need to make it look better. Because this sends an email already. But I don't need the yours of the world. I don't need them. Boom. Could I just say your address and then like have different like a indentation? Because that's broken up how? Ooh, and I have to do that. Disgusting. Oh, then what is that for? Oh, that's what that. Ooh. I think I can just copy all that. I don't know why that's acting weird. Because result is a thing. Okay. But would it work if I? Oh, it really isn't a thing. Where's that declared at? Community. That's ridiculous. What? Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's put this at the top. Next to all this stuff. That makes more sense. And even that. Something's off. I don't like this at all. This is the problem with having such a big file. Now I'm starting to see. This is the problem with having such a big file because things get lost, things are confusing. Things just need to be simplified. Like 10 lines maximum for each function. That's one thing I'm learning that I have messed up on in the past. Because this many lines in one file, oh, nah. Uh-uh. Uh, this is going to be a lot. I can tell this is going to be a lot. It's not even reading where the DB is. And DB is up. Huh? It has to be reading where the DB is. It isn't. It is right there. But not right there. I'm kind of going over it in my head. Would it be a bad idea? I know it's not bad, but if it would be bad about how I want to go about this, because these function. Where's the stop? This function right here could be its own thing, like how it already says Google login. This could be its own file, just to decrease like the confusion between like if it's a Google. In my mind, whenever I was programming this in the first place, this comment was good enough because I was like looking at it all the time. But like if you spend time away from this and you haven't been looking at it, this is too much. It's just way better to have like a functions whatever. That may be what I do. Because this is ridiculous. I can't live like this. Not in these conditions. This is too much. All right. I'm really wondering why community. Is there a typo? No. What the heck? Is it because of scope? Hold up. This is probably giving me something wrong because this already doesn't look right. There's a hook that allows you to add React state to function components. When you declare a state, it returns a pair. That lets you update it. For example, you might have a state function like this. What is the default state? Undefined. Okay. How is this working? It's oh, I was pulling magic. What? Yes. If you see community used elsewhere in your component or in props, a variable declared and see a different scope. I think that's the problem. Ooh. So I'm gonna have to break this up. No matter how much I don't want to do this, I'm gonna have to break this up. Might as well. All right. Might as well import everything that I need. Is it login or sign up? Google login. Let's do that. Let's do that. I don't know if it really should be JSX, but let's try it. It seems like the more and more that I program, the like lower and lower I get in my chair, and then I have to like realize that hey, my back is gonna be messed up. So let's start using the lumbar part of the chair. All right. I know that I can't just take everything from here, but Google, let's start it with this. Yeah, sure. Sure, whatever. Yeah. This is just boilerplate stuff. I'm not really caring about that. Use effect, blah. Now. No. Google auth provider. That's what I really care about. From there, let's take this line, copy it from, because this is all, what is this? Whoa. What did this just do? What? This isn't real. Excuse me. Ooh, I can also do that. Ooh. So what I can do, I can't do that. I can do that. Oh my gosh. React is awesome. Okay. Where's Google? Wait. Huh? What? Which one do I use? Okay. I'll just take this. Put it right here. Just do that. Oh, snap. I don't think I can do that. We'll figure it out. What else do I want to do? What next? What do I want to do? I guess I do that. Sign in with pop-up. Like whenever I guess I put that after that. I don't want to do that. Let's just see what it looks like before I do all that. And I think passing in all these variables, whatever the name of this is going to be, whenever I export this, I can just use these props right here. So, and this is why it's confusing, because this is whatever and this is something else. This is why it's confusing. This is the first try. That's a big try. What the heck? I guess let's just base it off of everything in here. My goodness. And cool. Yeah, it's gonna cause a problem because that's gonna cause a problem because this isn't a thing anymore. Yeah. Oh no. So actually, wait. Import. It's not utils. It's functions. Yeah. And then let's go all the way down here. Do I need to do what? Is that in use? Hello? Dang it. Oh. Whoops. Hmm? What do I need to provide? $14. What does that mean? Oh. What? Oh. Uh. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, I'm not so bad. Okay. Well, let's just take this out of here. Mm-mm. It's using that, but hold up. Huh? Huh? Work. Oh my goodness. Google login. Maybe that's just confusing for the thing. That doesn't make sense as to why. Yeah, take these two away. Oh, it has to be in an async. Or, no, it doesn't. Is make this an async. Oh, maybe that will work. Bet. No. I have somehow messed this entire thing up. Oh no. Oh, okay. Hello. Hello. What are you trying to do right now? Oh, I knew this was gonna be hard. Oh, that's another reason. To GPS. Sounds difficult. Sounds smart. Oh. It's pretty. Hey, Morrow. How you doing? How you doing? Long time no see. Also, I'm making it a point that if I ever do stream, I'm no longer going to be playing video games. I've made that um, commitment to this channel, whatever you want to call it, stream, whatever. No more video games. It's just only coding. Because, yeah, I don't think that y'all like watching me play video games. So, coding it is. And that gives me more incentive to, like, code even more. So, yeah. Wait, does it keep on moving randomly? Randomly? In the wrong direction? Each time? Yeah, okay. I know that it's my channel, my choice, but if someone's gonna take the time out to, click and stay around, I want it to be as enjoyable as possible for them because I can just easily just like not stream it. But I don't know. I want everyone to like have the best experience that I can possibly give them. But even when I play the video game that I play on stream, I feel as though I'm not able to give 100% of my attention to the stream because I'm playing a video game. So it's like, all right, I have to like divvy up my attention, and then I'm one failing the viewer, and two failing myself in the video game because I'm losing. So no one's a winner. But yeah, yeah. Oh my god, that was basically a long way of saying that Yeah, no more video games. I mean, I don't like to call myself an overthinker because everyone calls himself an overthinker, but like, I don't know. I gave it a little bit of thought, just a wee bit. Why is this doing this? What doesn't provide an export? That's not making sense. Wait a minute. That's not making sense. Let's try that. For anyone that is like viewing this on like the preview, whatever, let me try to visualize this for you. If anyone is like viewing this on the, I don't even know what game to really click to give someone a, a if someone is viewing this on here and they see just a white screen and me struggling, man, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Cause oh, thank you for having me. What just happened? I just clicked something. Okay, never mind. I'm just happy to have you here, uh, just providing me company during all my struggles. Hopefully, my new mic sounds better. Maybe not more bassy, but just not any more like one going mute just randomly, and two on the listen back of uh like my streams and whatever videos that I make, there was always like a slight ring, especially if you were wearing headphones. You could hear it. I could hear it. So that gave me more incentive to well, thank you, but I want to, cover that base as well for the audio files that, care about the hertz or whatever, you know. I don't know. I'm not an audiophile either, but that ringing was apparent whenever I was listening back. Even when I wasn't wearing headphones, I could still hear it. And I was like, oh, I need to get a new microphone. So, yeah. I don't know what I'm going to do about this error. What could be missing? Huh? Sign in with pop up is missing. Sign up with pop up. Sign up with pop up. That's missing. That's not fixing anything though. What does that do though? I'm looking at both of these, and I don't think this really does anything. Ooh. Okay. Okay. One thing that I'm starting to learn is the importance of like seasoning and stuff to not over season things because I just made some spaghetti yesterday and my meat came out really well. Pause, but like I'm actually happy and proud of the way that I seasoned my meat yesterday. So, what seasonings are you using? Also, whenever I'm like making chicken, I've learned because I listened to I don't know where I found it online is like poultry seasoning, but like one if I use poultry seasoning, at least in my chicken, if I use it lightly, I don't taste it. But if like I don't know, nah, I don't have a recipe. I just like try random stuff right now. What I'm learning is just use a lot of pepper, cause it doesn't make it like spicy or like to where I can't eat it. But I think the problem with the poultry seasoning is just how like it's not subtle to me. Either it's too much or it's not enough. And I don't like the taste of it regardless. I would rather just have like garlic or something. Or yeah, I would rather just have garlic. I'm just some garlic and some onion. That's why I need to start incorporating more too with some onions. Yeah, yeah, you're doing it right. You're doing it right. But pepper, but also offsetting the pepper with a good amount of salt. Not too much salt because I don't like salt, but using salt because I think that's what made my ground beef come out well. Is that I use salt whenever I thought that I was using too much pepper. I use salt to offset that, and I mean I'm happy with it. Even though I did mess up the pasta. Listen, as you can tell by my stream, I I used to be a fast learner. I'm a slow learner now. I really can't cook. My pasta like noodles, they were sticking together. But I asked my friend, "Hey, what's up, Poggle? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?" Sorry, we're just talking about cooking because I'm really interested in cooking right now. This is why I don't stream because I'm like just figuring out real life stuff that I don't know. It's not programming related, but I'm just like becoming an adult, more of an adult. All right, I had text my friend today, and I was like, all right, so it happens. That's actually what I'm doing right now. Is I'm supposed to be asleep, but I'm here with you guys. So 5 a.m. Is that a Sweden thing? Germany maybe. And if you don't UK thing, okay. I didn't want to press you into saying anything that you didn't want to say, but UK thing. Shouts out to the UK. I'm from Texas, so yeah. Thank you for being you, and yeah. Um, so I was texting my friend, and he's a chef, and it's like really simple, but he said to have the noodles not stick together as much once I pour out the water is to add olive oil. I never thought about that. It's just to add olive oil. And I was like, oh, that makes sense. But knowing me, I'll probably still mess it up from like either like probably pouring too much. Yeah, I'm still because okay, I've seen other I've seen other people put salt in the pasta noodles. And I was like, oh, I guess that's just what you do to make them not stick. So I was just like putting salt in the water. But that didn't work. And I'm just like looking at it once I'm done, I'm looking at it and I'm like, oh, these aren't raw, but they're just sticking together. And it's like I know I can do so much better. And it really put things into perspective of like I really can't cook. I, I I'm horrible. Salted butter on pasta is so tasty. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna add that to my HEB list. Oh yeah, Poggle out in the states over here, at least in Texas, how we do things, we have HEBs out here, and HEB does everything. Well, cooking related, but HEB has our back out here. What do y'all have for like a main staple grocery out in the UK? True, true. Thanks for keeping my spirits high, Morrow. The reason why I don't like the fact that I mess up a lot in cooking is because like I spent all this time because one, I don't like getting in the kitchen. One, I got in the kitchen, I took out the effort, I like swallowed my pride, and I was like, all right, I know I'm gonna mess up, but I'm gonna try something. But when I do mess up, it's like, all right, I wasted all this time, effort, and money just for something to come out too salty. Oh, that hurts my heart. Oh, that hurts. But I mean, we live and we learn. We progress. Aldi, is that a Swedish thing though? Wait, hold up. Germany. Wait. Yeah, Germany. Eh, eh. But does the UK have like a UK chain? Like how HEB is a Texas chain? I don't think is Kroger a Texas thing? Kroger's a Texas thing, right? Like an Addison thing? Hold up. Kroger is not an Addison thing. What the heck? Kroger came from Ohio? What? My whole life, I thought Kroger was just like a North Texas thing. What? Huh. Wow. As does Walmart in the UK? Hmm. Oh, yeah, I heard about that. I heard it was huge. I did not know that. I didn't know that. Thank you for that information. I'm still not investing in Walmart, but thank you. I want to. I want to invest in like a retail company, and my choice would probably be Costco. Oh, what a coincidence! You said Costco. There isn't a monopoly anywhere except for like in the United States. Actually, Costco is a monopoly. Hold up. This is actually like racking my brain. Cause hold up. Cause if I try to do this, import Google login. Google login should just be this. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. So if I'm right here with it, and yeah, if I'm right here with it, and then I just put Google login, what does that look like? My goodness. Okay. I want a Costco membership so bad, but I just have no reason to get a membership. I'm only me. Like I like buying in bulk, but I won't be able to consume everything that I would be buying in bulk. So it makes no sense for me to get a Costco membership. But I want a Costco membership so bad. Oh, I look forward to getting that. Oh, oh, Poggle. I recommend that you do because Costco is life changing, and they opened up one in like I think it was Japan, and like 5 hours before the Costco opened, there was like a line around like the corner. Costco is life changing. I'd have to take a boat to go to a Costco. Oh, never mind. Yeah, I know. I know. And Kirkland is Kirkland. But one day, one day, I just need to see something on this screen right here. Oh, that's the problem. Wait a minute. Why is this not exporting? What? Export what? Huh? Export const. Oh. Oh, this can't wait, huh? Give me a second. Uh where does this go? Does it go but thank you. Okay. Ah, awesome. Now, what does this look like? What? Okay, well, hold on. Now I'm gonna look at chat. Hold up. Sorry. I just started programming. My bad. Too much, too much. Too much for my little brain. Alright. Somewhere. Uh wait a you know what? I'm just gonna not expose myself as being uncultured. But I thought that the UK and Ireland were two different countries. And the like Ireland didn't identify. Whoa. Hold up. Where's a map? Oh, I see now. You would still call that Northern Ireland? I see. What? Whoa. Northern. Oh. I did not know that. Eh. But then why do y'all call. You know what? This is y'all's country. I... but if it's like. Wouldn't it just be West? West UK? Or is West UK like the hood? And y'all just don't want to be called West UK. But this, in my mind, would be West UK. I'm just gonna be uncultured. I'm gonna get out of y'all's family business because it's all good. It's all good. This is a yap friendly zone. Yap friendly. Um, I'm making progress. I think. How much longer do I have? Okay. I mean, it makes sense. What is this error? So this can. This may happen if you return a component instead of a component. That's why. What would this look like though? Eh? Wait. Oh yeah, right now my brain could not handle anything about like anything political. Hold up. Britain. So now there's people who claim Irish culture and the other who claim the British culture. A lot of feuds inside the country. Was this recently? This isn't recent. Are there still like tension to this day? Oh, I wish we could all just get along. Oh, ugh. Just hit myself in the face. Um, is this a thing? No. Okay. Why don't they? Because I thought that y'all like messed up y'all's economy with like Brexit or whatever. Why don't they want to leave? I meant to call this function rather than return it. What does that even mean? Const. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe I'm the problem. Hold up. Because if I do this. Oh, I wasn't commenting that out. Okay. Is using incorrect casing. Use Pascal. What? I don't want to use Pascal. Pascal. Oh my goodness. Oh, 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 oh. Oh my god. 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 Okay. I'm so close. I can feel it. I'm just so close. Hmm? Why? Objects. Oh snap! Poggle. I forgot. I forgot you asked the question. Um, this app is web app is a bring it back so I can like show you what's going on in here. And it doesn't show up. Never mind. Okay. So this app is a community funding project for people that live in a certain community. Like if I live in a certain neighborhood, I can make a proposal for like if we want like a swimming pool or a basketball court built. I can make a proposal, and then all the residents in my community can vote yay or nay if they want to do that or if they don't want to do that. So yeah, and it's for a nonprofit, and I believe that this is doing some good work in the world. So yeah, yeah. Let me catch up, cause the history of after the battle of honestly, is that not the history of the world? If you really think about it. If you really think about it. It's just all just dudes being dudes. Just just fighting for no reason. Ridiculous. But I just want this to show up. I want this Google thing to show up. How big is it? The museum. And how is it having passport? Like dual passports? That would be cool. I was just talking to a coworker of mine Friday and the importance of having a passport. Even though everyone is talking about the importance of having a passport, I don't know. I kind of just want to be in America right now. Days? What? Days? Whoa. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry for being uncultured. Basically, whenever someone says they have a passport, it just makes me feel uncultured and just I don't know, like I need to do better. But I will. I will. But for right now, mm, let me I'm just going to take life slowly at a slow pace right now. So, I think what I should be doing are not valid as React. This may happen if you return a component instead of a component. Oh, really? Oh, wait, y'all don't have social security numbers, do you? Do y'all have social security numbers? Huh. Um. Oh, okay. Okay. Hmm. And I don't know why this is a thing, but in other countries, there isn't that much of like a importance on hiding your social security number like there is in America. Like people have the equivalent of a social security number, but in America it seems like you have to guard it with your life or someone's going to take your identity and just ruin your name. But in other countries, y'all just aren't concerned with stuff like that. And that's fascinating to me. I don't know why that's like interesting to me, but it just is. Life for y'all is just different. Yeah. Yeah. And I don't know why that is. What the heck? Also, thank you for the follow. I'll be honest, you may have to help me with pronouncing this, but thank you for the follow. Oh wait, yeah. See, bold, bold. That's what I call it. To just live that stress free. Oh, oh, would be nice. Hmm. Yeah, but that doesn't work. Oh, it does work. Ah, okay, okay. Wait a minute. I think I see what's going on here. How can I do this? How can I do this? Eh. So, whenever I do this, yes, export default, blah 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 blah. Export default function. Hold up. What is it? Vite, React. I just built a Node server. That was my first time building a Node server. Um, what else? Oh, I'm using Plaid for identity verification, and then I'm also using Firebase, and I think that's it. Yeah, I'm not using Tailwind. I'm using like raw CSS, but oh yeah, sorry, I'm weird like that. I just like raw CSS. I don't like Tailwind or any like frameworks for CSS. I like raw CSS. Um, but yeah, I think that's it. Node for building your. Oh yes, yes, I believe so. I think I am. Yeah, because I'm sending HTTP requests mainly to the Plaid API to get like the identity verification working or whatever, and then I'm moving everything back over to um, Firebase Firestore for like you handling user information and everything else. So yeah, so I mean it's not the craziest of stacks. It's probably bland for someone that's like smarter than me in programming terms, but I don't know. It works kinda because right now, uh, but yeah, yeah. What's your background? Let's try export default function. That's what I had to begin with. Okay. Don't need that. And don't need that. Can I put an async on this? What? Just got done with a year and a half contract going back in a few weeks. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Did you enjoy it? Awesome. We got them. We don't got them. I wish this would just work. But it's not. I'm so confused. Wait a second. Perl is for what? Is this pop filter working? I hope it is. Is Pro back end or front end? Oh, thank you. Okay. So you mix Perl and Golang? This is the export though. This is not. This isn't making sense. And which one do you prefer using more, Python or Perl? The one odd thing about your stack is the Perl. Everything else seems pretty cool. Like, or not cool, but Perl is cool. Sorry, disregard the word cool. Everything else seems pretty like standard, except for the Perl part. Yeah, yeah, huh. And PHP, I had learned PHP at one point, but I don't know. I just stopped using it. I just switched over to JavaScript because I was learning raw PHP. So like I didn't really like it that much, and I didn't know that Laravel was a thing. Like I was learning from my local junior college, and they just taught us PHP. So that's just what I learned. And Laravel wasn't. people people talk as if like Laravel is just the best technology in all of programming, but I'm so far removed from PHP now that I kind of Is it really that good? Huh. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not getting tempted. I got tempted into React, and look at me. This is where I am in a 500, almost 500 line file, trying to figure this thing out. Okay, that does sound cool. Blade. That sounds cool. Um, how can I do this? Hold up. How can I do this? How can I do this? What's in here that needs to be commented out? It's still not doing anything. What's the difference from this and that? Export default function. Uh, what? Yes, it exists. This file, this file structure isn't the problem. Fine. Well, maybe not new, but yes, it is the. Oh, really? And honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of Veet. Veet is just what this project had whenever I came on board. But Veet is Veet. I am a little bit. Listen, if you ever come back to this stream, um, you're gonna soon find out how uncultured I am and how much I don't know about programming. Because if it were up to me, I would still be using Create React App. And I know that that's frowned upon and whatever. But I would still be using Create React App because it's just simple and it works. So, yeah. Oh, it's slow. Oh, it's so outdated. Create React App has never failed me. Veet and all these new technologies. But you have to adapt. You have to adapt. So, yeah. Uh, I wonder what about this is the problem. Because it's obviously. Uh huh. Uh huh. That's not making sense as to why it's not working. Firebase. Oh. Then let's do that. That. Alright. This is the main hurdle right now. Mm-mm-mm. Hold up. I'm gonna Google this. And hopefully a Stack Overflow comes up. And it has. For us all. For us all. In the event or in the file, yeah, it may be time for me to call it. But because I'm tired and I have to go to work in the morning. So yeah. Yeah. But I'm not stopping until I figure this out. You are not. Oh, thank you for the follow. Thank you. I will say, my streaming may be a little sporadic, but I'll always come back eventually. But yeah, yeah. Get you some sleep, cause that's important. And also eat and drink water. But thank you for following, and I'll see you soon. I don't want to say tomorrow because whenever I say tomorrow, I never stream. But I'll see you soon. I'll see you soon. And thank you for being you and being cool. Um at this point it's probably breakfast. Yeah, in that order. Yeah. Export something. What? You too. You too. You have a good one as well. Oh. Oh. Yeah, he's not exporting anything. That's the problem. What? Dog. Huh? Okay. Oh. Whoops. Where's it at? Oh. Google login. Is that a thing? No. Let's not do an on click for this. Or sign up with. Functions are not valid. This may happen if you return a component, or maybe you want to call this function. Okay. Export const. Equals. Then let's try this. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. What? Does not provide name default. What? Oh snap! I forgot you were cooking chicken. Hold up. Have you? How far into it are you? What does that mean? Braised chicken. This looks complicated. This actually looks time consuming and complicated. Looks good though. Hmm. So it's like a stew. It looks like a stew. does it say this? Before it didn't say that. Login. It didn't have anything called that either. What are you talking about, a default? Hold up. Ooh, a burrito. That sounds good. You must be good at cooking. I'm happy for you. That's a good skill to have. Nothing about this is a default. What the heck? Nothing about this is a default. Horrible. Oh gosh. It's saying. Oh wait, maybe I'm not reading correctly. Import. This makes Google log. Timeout. Maybe that's my problem. Maybe that's my problem. I wasn't reading. Hold up. Is the default export. You should import it with. Whatever. It should look like this. I'm still not reading. Oh, I don't want to do that. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Yes? Okay, so when I do that, why did. Okay. If it's the default, I'm taking these away. Right. Cool. Taking these away. Now we go down here. And the export in here. What? Right. Or I'll just get that out of there. And then say. Because that's right there. Okay. And then I just say. That. Decent. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. Okay. No. or sign up with. Where's the Google button? Okay. So all this work for nothing, for basically the same thing. Gotcha. Okay, no errors. Wait, I don't need any of this. What I do need is this. Right? Cool. Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. Okay, cool. All right, so I'm probably going to get off. Uh, thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. I'm probably gonna here. I'm gonna set off a raid, but if um uh uh if you want to go to sleep, you can. If you're not interested in a raid, I understand. But this is a really cool person. There will be profanity, but yeah. Just viewer discretion is advised. If you're a child, go to bed. But yeah, I'm getting off. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.